things. What really matters is special kami sa isa't isa, always there for each other, and hanggang ngayon pa rin, we're always there for each other.
Dating.
Exclusive na dating.
Pwede po siya
So, bakit ganun?
Parang iba't ibang
Walang label. Ayaw na lang ng label.
Gusto namin malaman first of movie project kung ito kasama mo sila.
You have this responsibility, oh, you cannot talk to girls, or you cannot wear this, or you cannot go to this party, blah, blah, blah. Pero pag wala kayong label, you're still like a free spirit. You can do whatever you want as long as it doesn't really affect how that other person feels. And one thing I think should be an important factor, even if you don't have a label, is communication. Kahit wala kayong label, you should still be able to communicate with each other. Kasi malay mo, you're doing something, nasasaktan tong isa. So communication is very important.
But you do entertain other guys.
As of now, no, ayoko. I'm really focused on my career. Sakit kasi
So, can you look at advance like a lot if he's still with someone?
Okay lang ba? May papagawa siya sa kanila.
Oo,
Di ba pareho kayong briefing? So may sasabihin akong word na Tagalog pagkatapos i-translate to. Not just in English but British.
Okay, sige.
Sino mauna, okay?
Okay, game.
No, I'm really not gonna be jealous kung meron siyang kasama ibang girl. Like, everyday nasa showtime siya, he's around the girlfriends as well. Talagang magiging close sila because of their...
Okay, 1-0. Yung mga 3 points ha.
May brand sa'yo?
So it's understandable. Pero if it's like other girls na
Pagkain.
hindi ko rin kilala, I really wouldn't mind. You know, it's a big world. You should be... You have the right to talk to whoever you want.
2-0.
Make friends with
Okay,
whoever you want.
so pangatlo, last one ha.
Sabi niyo, you're both special. Ikaw, how special siya sa'yo? Special niya sa'yo.
Ikaw, last word mo.
Coming from you.
Yes, hanggang ngayon, he's still very special to me. Wala namang nagbago doon. He's really showed me his personality. And that's how I can say he's really special to me. And he's always been there for me through the highs and the lows. Through all the rejections I've had with the projects, he's always there to lift my spirits. So yeah, he's very special to me pa rin.
So, isip matagal na kayo friends. It's a star marriage din kasi.
Yes.
Going back to Katrina, maraming nagsabi, nakamukha mo sa Katrina.
They actually haven't said that I look like her directly, but they said I was fit to play the role. Yeah. Yun, I've got a lot of comments about that.
Anong feeling mo na? Parang sana ikaw maging
Maraming nagsabi na dapat ikaw mag-TM.
Ako, I'm very flattered to hear things like this na I'm fit to play this role. Kasi ako, I see myself, I'm nobody right now. You know, I still have such a long way to go in this industry. I have so much that I have yet to learn. And to hear comments like that, it really flatters me. Because I mean, in this industry, let's admit it, there are so many other choices. But people, they see me, you know, so it's really flattering.
Eh, pero do you think, or ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, kaya mo gampanan yung role being
Kaya mo ba mag-lava mo?
Kaya ko po yan!
At kung nang i-offer, will you accept or tatanggapin?
Yes, I would gladly accept it. It's bad to say no to work. At saka, I really love this. Na they see me to, they want me to portray her story. I really like it. I really want to be a beauty queen, so maybe I can get a taste of what it's like.
Eh, parang isa rin sa binanggit ni Catriona is si Maymay.
Yes.
Ano masasabi nung pero si Maymay ayaw niya raw kasi baka sa English lang ay matalo.
Ayaw niya po ba?
Ayaw niya daw tanggapin.
Oh, it's the first time I've heard that from you.
Ikaw yung parang kayong dalawa yung pinagpipilian.
Ikaw naman, Martha.
Well, I mean, of course, I cannot argue with who Ate Catriona wants to play her life story. That's a different story, you know. Pero I mean, if Maymay does get the role, I would be more than happy for her. It's still work, and I know that Maymay will always do her best. Yes, pero acquaintances, since we're not really together sa work.
Are you open working with them ngayon sa love scene nila para ikaw magiging third party? Liza, start ko siya ganun. Hindi kayo magiging third party din sa kanilang love team. Ikaw gusto mo mag-solo, di ba?
Actually, well, if it will give me a good level of exposure, if it will really elevate me in terms of my career, then why not? It's still work, and maybe from that work experience of being a third wheel, I could learn more from that.
How ba, ano yung gusto mong gawin? Kung sakaling bigyan ka ng chance to have solo. I mean, anong genre?
Ako, something that I feel the Philippines doesn't have yet is like spy. Ako kasi, nung bata ako hanggang ngayon, mahilig ako sa Kim Possible eh. Yung mga may walkie-talkie, yung magpe-perform ng stunts and everything. So, yung naka-black na tawag dito, na jumpsuit, tas ano, you're hanging on the side of the building, something like that. I think that would be really cool.
Parang,
Ikaw naman si Simon. Bakit kaya naman?
ability to do in the film.
Tayo dyan sa kanto lang sa pinakamalapit sa sinhepi.
Oh, I know I'm at the right age. I mean, 18 na ako, what's the excuse? Pero at the same time, kasi in terms of roles like, oops, sorry. In terms of roles like that, I would rather stay on the drama side muna. Maybe later on in my career, once I feel confident enough to do it, then...
Inaalaw ba ng mga sex
Oo naman.
Okay lang sa kanya. Hindi kanya pinagbabawa eh. Kung nag-wear to.
Dati, medyo protective siya. Pero ngayon, mature naman yan. Saka hindi naman din maiiwasan in this industry na gano'n.
So, ito ka ba mag-sample ng lava walk mo?
Ng lava.
Kung sakali?
Oo, ng lava walk. Okay.
Coming from there?
Sure. Let's move
Grabe
on.
na yung panahalo
Diba?
Only for guys.
Oh, ako na next. Marco Premiere here.
Oh my gosh, naiyak
So, yung tatanong sa'yo yung question kay Catriona. Paano mo sasagot? How do you answer it?
I'm sorry, which one?
Yung question sa kanya. Ano yung question sa kanya?
Diba nakalimutan mo ba?
Okay, something about silver lining.
Ayun.
No. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. I'm so sorry.
First?
Ano yung natutunan niya sa buhay niya? Paano niya i-apply sa Miss Universe?
How will you apply yung
Ano yung natutunan mo sa buhay? Ano yung skills?
How do you apply your experiences in life? I mean, when it comes to...
As a Miss Universe. Diba?
Miss Universe. Well,
Kasi pinasok mo yun eh.
Siyempre, pinagka-ilabo mo. Sagutin niya na rin.
being a Miss Universe, I think it's a very good platform to inspire people, to enlighten people as well from your experiences. So, at saka being a beauty queen, it's not always about the beauty, it's about the brains and the heart as well. You know, what you're willing to do for your kapwa Filipinos and how you can just help in general.
Pwede na.
Pwede na ba?
Sige, please invite them na lang. So,
Yes, everybody, I'm inviting you guys to watch Familia Blondina. It's a wonderful movie. It's very family centered, and wow, it's really gonna show how our family was culture shocked. Yung journey namin ba, kung paano namin kinaya yung mga difficulties dito sa Pilipinas na wala dun sa US. Ayun, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.